Do you want to speak English confidently, fluently, but you are afraid to speak? Hello friends, my name is Karan and I am from Bihar. Friends, let me tell you, I am learning English language and this is my 8th day. Friends, I am beginner and I know that I make a lot of mistake in this video because I am beginner. I am learning this language and even I make correct sentence also. I fumble, I stuck, I make a lot of mistake in this video, but I decided that in anyhow I have to improve my language, English language in these 30 days. Friends, I have taken 30-day challenge. In this 30-day challenge, I want to improve my English. That's why I am recording in front of camera. Friends, in this video, I am going to talk about how to improve your English, what is the importance of English, and many more topics. Friends, if you don't know this language, then you face very difficulty in your life because English is everywhere, and if you not learn this language, then it will create problem for you because suppose that you go in a hospital and doctor give you report and that on that report that is written in English and you don't know English, then you not know don't know then you don't able to understand what is written on that report. So I request you to please learn this language in anyhow. Friends, English language is very important in today world because English is everywhere in the world. English is worldwide language. If you not learn this language, then I not think that you survive in this world. That's why I am requesting you to please learn this language. Friends, I am practicing since 4th or 5th day and this is my 8th day of learning English language. I am practicing in front of camera. Friends, I know that I am making mistake in this video also, but I am practicing in this language. I am sure that I learn this language in 30 days or 40 days, but I'll not become fluent in 30 days or 40 days. If I have to become fluent in English, then it took 3 months or 4 months. Then I can easily speak fluently. So I decided that from 1 January I am recording my video in English and practicing this language and learning this language and try to learn this language because I want to improve my English. This is the one of the best reason. That's why I am recording myself in English. Friends, when I am in a school, then I study English as a subject. But when I pass out the school and visit some another place, then I saw that everywhere is English. Then I decided that no, I have to learn this language in anyhow. That's why friends, I request you to please learn this language. Please learn this language because if you learn this language, then nobody can try to make you fool. That's why I request you to please learn this language, friend. Please learn this language. And thinking, if you thought that I am saying unnecessary, then it depend upon you in which way you take it. If you take it as a positive way, yes, I have to learn this language, then I think you are better thinking. And I hope and I believe that if you practice daily, then you definitely improve your English one day. Friends, I know I make mistake in this video, but it doesn't matter that I am making mistake. Friends, I am beginner, I am learning, then I am making mistake. Suppose that if you learn something new first time, then you also make mistake. Suppose that you want to drive a car, then you not directly drive it. First of all, you learn it, what is gear, where is brake, how it work. Then you only can learn driving. Similarly, I am also practicing English, how English, how I have to speak English, where I have to use this word. I am also learning. So during learning time, people make lot of mistake. But when he learn completely, then mistake is less. Yes, I am sure that even he know very well English, but he also make mistake. But he make less mistake, not not much. Not he make much mistake. He make less mistake. Suppose that you driving a car, you know very well how to drive the car, but after some day, suppose that you are going anywhere and it accident is happen, then you don't know drive. No, you know, but by some reason it happen, by some reason, or by any due to any reason you do accident, but you know driving. Similarly, the the person who speak English well, he also make mistake, but he make less mistake. Friends, I am villager, and in my village nobody can speak English. Even my family, nobody can speak English. Only I am trying to speak in English because I know what is the importance of English language. That's why I am practicing day by day. I am practicing daily in English. Whatever I am doing, I am trying to express it in English because I know that English is everywhere, and that's why I am practicing daily. Whatever thought is going in my mind, I am trying to deliver it in English. Then I can learn English. Then I can learn English. Yes, then I can learn English. That's why I am practicing. Friends, when you visit on my channel, then uh, then I am sure that you also want to improve your English. That's why you visit on my channel, or you click on my video. Yes, that is correct sentence. So if you are new on my channel, then stay connected with me and press the bell icon and subscribe button, so that notification can reach upon you, and you also stay connected with me. And if you want to improve your English also, then please subscribe my channel, so that you can get notification on time, and by watching my video you can learn English. Yes, I accepted that I make a lot of mistake in this video, but I am trying to speak in English. So if you are beginner, then subscribe my channel, so that you can see my journey, how I am improving my English. And similarly, you also do same things, whatever you are doing, you definitely one day speak English. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for giving your time